Hello everyone, welcome to Hydropower. In this lecture we'll talk about the efficiencies of turbine. The efficiency of a turbine in a hydropower system is a critical factor that determines how effectively it can be convert the kinetic energy of flowing water into mechanical and electrical energy. The efficiency of often expressed as a ratio of the actual output to the theoretical maximum output. These are several key factors that influence the efficiency of the turbine are the hydraulic efficiency. The hydraulic efficiency relates to how well the turbine captures and converts this energy from the water flow. It depends on the design of the turbine and how effectively it utilizes the available head and flow of the water. This hydraulic efficiency can be given as hydraulic efficiency equals power delivered to runner is divided by power supplied at the runner into 100%. Now next we go to the mechanical efficiency. Mechanical efficiency accounts for losses with the turbine itself, such as friction in bearing and losses in the transmission system. It represents how well the mechanical components of the turbine convert the rotational energy into electrical energy. This mechanical efficiency can be given as the power at the shaft of the turbine is divided by power delivered by water to the runner. Whole is multiplied by 100. And in the third, volumetric efficiency. The volumetric efficiency refers to the ratio of the actual volume of water that passes through the turbine to the total available volume of water. It is a measure of how effectively the turbine utilizes the incoming water flow to power generation. It can be given as volume efficiency equals volume of water actually passing through turbine is divided by total volume of water to turbine is multiplied by 100. Now in the last we'll go to the overall efficiency. The overall efficiency combines hydraulic and mechanical efficiency as well as the volumetric efficiency to provide a holistic view of the turbine performance. It considers losses in both the water to mechanical energy conversion and the mechanical to electric energy conversion. Overall efficiency can be given as power available at the shaft of the turbine is divided by power supplied at the inlet of the turbine. Whole is multiplied by 100. Overall efficiency is the multiplication of all these three efficiencies, that is hydraulic efficiency, mechanical efficiency and volumetric efficiency, as it can be given as the formula mentioned here. Overall efficiency is equals to hydraulic efficiency multiplied by mechanical energy is multiplied by volumetric efficiency. So for today we end up the class for this month. We'll come again with another new video. Till then, keep on watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.